Welcome back. We are just entering Jackson, Wyoming, and we're gonna do a driving video through town on our way to the Tetons and hopefully an awesome campground. So Jackson has 9,577 people, elevation 6,200 feet. I need to figure out their bike path. It looks really nice. It looks long, but I'm not sure how long. Check out Teton Village someday. I don't really feel like doing it now though, because I just want to get a place to stay tonight, and just in case I can't find one. I got a lot of driving to do yet. Wow, it doesn't look as busy as it did in June so far. Town Square. Eating the last of my pumpkin spice madeleines from Safeway. So I think the ski area right in town here is called Snow King. That's what the sign said, at least. Bubba's Barbecue Restaurant. looks like it'll be next summer before there's a lot of overseas traveling again. And maybe we'll get our parks back. There'll be less people. I can't wait till everyone that travels overseas starts going overseas again.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn left.
There's too many of them here.
In 400 feet, turn left to North Cash Street.
I want to go around the square.
Turn left to North Cash Street.
I'll go straight, please. The only other town that has a square this nice is Santa Fe, New Mexico. They have a really nice
Turn
town
left
square
to
like
Center
this.
Street.
Oh my God, what is this cluster going on? Jeez, are you kidding me? What a mess. Some truck. There's someone parked illegally. A truck can barely get out. I don't know what this Dodge is doing. Durango.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Utah car. What they're doing. They're in a handicap spot, but so it's definitely not as busy, but it's still pretty busy. Oh my God, UPS driver is blocking the street, potentially. I do not, yeah, he is. That's awesome. This is awesome. Alright, this was a mistake. I just wanted to show you more of the town, but probably should have stayed on the main road. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Who knows where the hell he went. But he's basically stopping traffic in entire downtown Jackson at this point, because I'm backing in traffic. And eventually it'll be blocked, so no one can go anywhere because of him. Oh, this is a good excuse to eat some donuts. I got strawberry donuts. Hostess donuts.
In 400 feet, turn left to East Hill Avenue.
These streets weren't made for big trucks and SUVs, and that's what everyone has. No one has passenger cars anymore.
Turn left to East Hill Avenue.
I'm gonna go in this public lot here and figure out if there's any free camping in the area. Oh my god. You can reserve spots here. I did not know that. Or no, it says restricted vehicles only. I don't know what that means. Well, I'm gonna sit here for a minute. So it's pretty neat. I didn't know they had that here. And I wonder if you can stay here overnight. Oh, it says no overnight. Alright, let's stop this video.